The question is, two bullets are loaded into a gun's round barrel consecutively. The barrel has a capacity of 6. The gun is fired once, but no bullet is shot. Does rolling or shuffling the barrel before next shot increase the probability of firing a bullet? So here we have a gun with 6 barrels and 2 of which are filled with bullets. Let's number them as barrel number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When the gun was fired for the first time, no bullet shot. Let's find the probability of bullet being shot on second trial. For the first case when we didn't roll the barrel, here we know that 1 out of first, second, third and fourth barrel was shot. So the next could be second, third, fourth and fifth, giving out 4 cases in total. One of these 4 cases, only barrel number 5 has bullet in it. So we have only 1 case for bullet being shot. Therefore the probability will be a quarter, which is 25%. Coming to the second case when the barrel was rolled. Any of the 6 barrels could get fired, 2 of which are filled with bullet having the possibility of being shot. So we have total number of cases as 6 and cases where the bullet can be shot is 2. This gave us the probability as 2/6, which is nearly 33.33%, which is higher than the first case. Hence yes, rolling the barrel will increase the probability.